Ojibaya, Panimbane. Joe boy, a positive mind. Joe boy, Abba Frabani Sanasa once a son. Ojibaya, Panimbane. Chokro, Mama Tiasia say, a Jimmy Sampata Bofrana Kuma Hawaii. Nanson Teneswaba, a BCS, I can free you. Open it back to you, kind of that, obey our pony. Hey, Nicola Bonisam, obey graduate, obey a Casapa. Joe boy, hey, Joe boy, I'm a Bonisana Sawansa, Ojibaya, Panimbane. Joe boy, just that orange sham was under me, I'm a problem into why. And so, Mr. There, a friend, the record, made it. But you to me techniques on the main ideas me the why. Oh, be a ranya yeke. Joe boy, Rebecca Mupa. Joe boy, tin. Joe boy, I'm a Fraboni Sanasa once a son. Ojibaya, Panimbane. Joe boy, in a grana say on the
Hey, I got an aqua. Joe boy.
Me cocoa 2 times, maybe.
Hey, why, Yabby?
Mamma, we have free cover.
What you making?
The BS and my Yakadaboni.
Hey,
and we do a chicken ship and you be a
your boy,
you Vanco fear, and your mamma Nasia, and you do a chip in airport. Every day, Ukofum be as only Bian. When you're Biani, let you be going out. And no magic. What on the abominable share, when ya cut the swap, and Yamia, and you be a different Jew boy. What on the bunch or Babylon, what could go with you?
If you have from Banyama, Mediba, or Geniamas, what the baby see me fear. On Vama, and your corner walk on. Eh, and I'm a corner now. A park of feminine, and put you on an assessment, who in your manner. As well as keep room, I never. And you. I'll go. In the house. Mammy, I'm a check. Now, Nana, poor boy, you go by our hand. One foul. What Babylon, one mark of food, Mr. Banchini boy, the enemy jack. me here we na was walk on mato. And mato acquires to Unkurana.
Why, Joe boy?
Joe boy was in an I'll be in a fine mamma, make one see a yes, making was one, Nana. Would learn a farmer. Me down your man's way, Joe boy, my bed you see was what you see more. Maybe I would demand him. I feared you, me come and make him make you when you walk. And I jammed them the bed, and bedroom one near menu, and Timaba, the barber Jim and Yama, buying board dear, a jabuso. Oh, Joe boy, I dear be seen.
A yaman nana Joe boy,
I go by.
I see you. A young mammy, Yamiche. I don't near my sword you could do when you could jump see. Yeah, what I did. Whom you mobile what it? What may I fear? I'm not power to appear fair job.
Nothing, I'm not Jim and Yama. Barbie, why do you mean call for Munko 2 bunches? Yeah, boy, dear, a man and I go by the piano. No one find a man.
I know Yamicha Papa. Or Papa, Debbie. Miss Debbie, your man, you won't send me. Maggie Minyama, hey, banking him and kind. You but Barbie will meet your climate form. Maggie Minyama, Miss Water form. Miss Water form. Debbie, come on, to my dear man, just one and a baha. Your man, says here, when you feel. Swung, when you fear, say, I will dinner, man, I had abaha. And so be crying and maybe I was sound. David, what did you so I didn't know. When you imagine was some or didn't know something like you your fire. Mr. Kamakuma to him. Me and Casame Quabon team, Macquaco pen mobus and enough for form. There be a woman no matter to an about to say, I would not be too tight. Then you will feel what's a near many. And you walk on, Martin. Me ko be don me na se me niema no wan fa ma mi fie dia ani de besi krom akra enye ni kwa ko mato ye de medie kura ka me de bebro wate ni mate enti wo de ko me kwa akopɛ no why pene yo ka me mpene wo kura wo no na na me da ase me gim bank ne mbo de da ase eno nya me che dua wie o ya nya ade ye do boy be kumi o me ti we se ma che me hu nya me ka kura me hu na do boy na akume mi wa don boy na kume atete e na sei ade che sei we di complain we di charge we di complain eh don boy oh wo ba na so ade na da bia wo te oba bi nka ame nka hwe ne ma ho nka ne ma nko ba bia me pe na kakra ade akre ma me na
Yo.
I don't know what.
Oh no, you me shime. Na me hwe ni banko. I don't go in. Because you know somebody can say man ka say ye meso agya ni bi. Yo me kon kan. Enti mi ka be kofi akọ say oh ha. Na ki akọ so a. Na na odi si. E dey a. Ah yo. Why bibia na? E dey ade na me di si. Me do me fro wo ye mo ele wonyo na nye sika wo ye yeah me dey o anu we edere wo dey watch me aye me dey me didi ma dwene ho are yeah wani abia de bia be didi kwa the way that hey jo nanchina mo ni ayi ye friend say ele wonyo wunya ho blog nyane wo wunya ho minya sika ogo ma chiko so me nko so aja this time me so aja me huru se quick money on de nya de ma so aja bia nti we nya sika sa mpete nti be se minya sika ne ma min chen ba ko ni iba ko pe na ni ba bia sika ni free wadia zi iba ko pe me di ko di na no so awowe no biabo bia bemu a 50-50 ha ai biabo sai ayo ko wiana ko buza ma me no o chiri se bi wia ya na toy mo ja ko mi se diga yi me share da bi ba kakra be kakra e kakra fa de o no enwe na couple ni we ni se na me 20 asenya ka me be try kwa am ni
Tony. Na o ma me ofie. Na ona na. Na me jijo okam onu obi ku, so onu wan ku.
Anam no we design ajo no.
To ba ko no ba ko.
Where the camera is saying?
And go me my program. Who is going?
Bro, no, there, Unim. Is the many Marwan na ebo?
Me wa say.
Marwan na me no mbo.
No mbo.
Hwene so sika bo ntuma anu a. Na ba bia me hia no ho yeku a na maje. We say, maame no to nunkron. Ne banchi. Ana me biti ni se me di gojan. Ana me ji banchi no. Ana maku hwa banchi no. Ana me dia beto ile wonyo na me di bia to na me de aka so koto. O ba ya wi ni gab. Eduabo bia ba 50-50.
Go boy.
Ah, wa me bi. The winning in Africa, Ubewu,
I go ya we from two. Aye. Mammy, you know, to come a credit in you. Into the greater Wakotoma, me a young pa. But I said to my own.
Oh, me. Until I'm a better or far, and my far, or far, and my far.
No, go for catch on an island.
Now the Banjim Gramia. See is believe you. See is believing. The young need to want dance here. I catch him and I say, Mammy was only too bad, trouble dear. Wouldn't me crowd for me yard. When no matter to nominate train. Catadia can swim for my dear uncle.
You have Mamma
no matter today, or Yamuswato.
You have Mamma Catam. She come on for the above. Ah, turn to come on for the above.
Say,
so don't put the above. So me. Come here, Jay. If you are born a kuno. Are you a better? Obi a quatil go a passion. I had a man, I'll quite sack and tema. I got on dear. If you are born a kuno, I may Jay know me. Why may Jay know me near me and didn't be a born a kuno? This I first a house one. I mean, you are not. If there's a way in a corner of food, in Zona, the Kuyabi. In Zona, in Zona, the Bobum, and a conjure and a pie. But in your one, I don't need born dear. I don't need to be a wheel. Mrs. Zona, the Bobum, Diana, Madame for no, me, the declare flower mushroom midi, and I don't book me. Massa. So are you? What the heck can my man can't have no, oh, wait. I don't know. I am Pesa. Membesa, what you women do be said, Membesa. In Mechi, is a corona in Mechi, go by Mechi. In Mechi, my enemy. Nobody.
Your boy. Jawa, Miss Watson, Jawa. Now that's it. I didn't say, Quadami free. Nami Musa. Yabasi. Mammy, I may chap has a sea, so we'll feel full back. What's she? I didn't hear Massa with the quack with done with you. Banchiama, Bordiama, Ejama, a Biana away. What's your way? Mammy, Yamiche, when I name Yamiche Waba. And you be a name, Diana, or Casana, me a Biana de Media. Joe boy. Anama Nana Yadana, Yemun Yada, near should I I'm Chedi Banji, dear Mimi quite. Hey, it's just a mamma, some no bear, fear, no better. No, Subanchi. And I am in your side, didn't cry, you to me, poor crowd. Me too, grass, I walk out was in to be poor, and then you said, what cloak now, Bassa, no, walk for me. And I'm Subanchiana, and I'm me a galley, Edma. Just a mamma, some no bear, fear, no better, mamma, or no more. Me assure see I done here because you know some got to start your boy now. So we. Joe, I got to tell Thomas here.
Inti banchi wa otoma me ye.
Edi adia.
Edi ade banchi na otoma me no rafi. Mimi fa me nkura. Fa me sika ma me o banchi na otoma banchi na atensene no. Mimi fa me Edi atam na oka.
Mimi ye banchi. Me na me manufacture banchi.
Sana wa ka che.
Me na me ye banchi. Me na me bo banchi.
Sana wa ka che. Bu rafi so na otoma banchi ne ma me. Inti dai. Man pa to de ma me ni ndi hansa.
Eduli uko to Kumasi boda ana kejeti anka abasa de akọ.
Wo to banchi na ma mambu saw. Ana wo se banchi wa fo banchi ti banchi na ye.
Etimi ye kurufasa se banchi no be ya de yana.
Yo boy, me pa cho. Fa me sika ma me.
Bas ewla ba kodi na pesi.
Me kodi na pesi. Ka chi ka fa le ho. Anya sadia me di ba ya wo we be fi wo.
If you hang me again, I will destroy you.
Nde wo bua. Mr. Woni ma me na me temi ko report to the Central Police Station. Me di Buffalo car 6 ko cheno. So woni ma. Wo ya. Na me friend president say o kwa wono ma nunya mba yire free. Wono nana.
Buffalo ni bia so be so me nsanka me di ba je.
O baba so ko friend president.
Me friend president say ma. Mo ba yire free krom ha.
Mo di dem ti ba.
Me papa president ti awo. Me
tia we. Me timi ata we awoto nkurukuri ni ade wa ho ni president number.
Me pa to ni dem me say from sika ma.
Me aka.
Ama me sanka.
Ba me banchi mam na di.
O banchi ni. Banchi.
Oh.
Banchi.
Me say oh.
Me from sika ma.
Na bi wa ya.
Chemu. Me from sika ma. Me say from sika ma.
No for me bia.
Me from mo ho no for mo.
Why a mistake? Na say banchi ne ho no way.
Eni me kam na krachi me ka dia shower. Me say eni me kam na.
Ne ho ni dia dia akọ.
Me from sika ma.
Mabu me ha me ho duwa. Asem wa ye rofa asem da to. Wo ye rofa.
Jadi no
asem da to.
Babu je
Leave me alone.
Me say from sika man, but what if I dey
No, what's up, me boy? You want to bush bia equipment man. Aka body.
Ma me to ade.
Me kwa ba o kasi ada me ba ha no ano.
Enyamia. Nse ya na me ya ade ja. Me so me check me lines. Oh why fe.
Go for pick.
Me ya ofre ha yo.
No ma ya ni ben de. Ti se nyamia ya me.
Ya rade.
Bon sample ma frɛ ha ya me.
My friend sister. Me ya meet me hu.
How are you?
Sister. E bon pa na me worry be me nua. Awo pa me da wo sam ni sumi anada.
Si aka
Me hu nya frɛ ho. Na de.
Me na nso. Ene bia nso awo system kakra.
De me sam, na me sam. Me mpa be me.
O mi se mi wura wani de so boa.
Ene wo ji wani wo.
Papa bi.
Oh, ade we kasa na mre ya. We ya mama ho
Se
ya.
me patcho class o me misika ni adwuma. Me patcho wa pa adwuma ye. Can you believe this?
Oh, chef, you pena. Why was why you kissed it? Enye.
Sika same.
Minya kan pemu.
Mati se here ya pa na me experience bi de.
Na. Ya na se mi so wase. Ya na sa ho sa. Ha me yumua. Ha me dem da dwena ho pa o be se mi kisa na. Menim se de maybe some names de obesi afase.
Say ya wasama mesro kwan fam.
Aw,
mesro.
Awo de nya no kura de ase na me de metimi. Nya. Na me say. Papa evi se wo ware ni wie. Mi hu ni busuani bia da ware ya se wo so ko se samafo. Sister ho no me dwene ho pa me am se na me wie print woni abusua na. Sister nti ho na ha me pa mpese me hu ade property pa. Ma dwene ho sa.
E ma no ha ko. Family me no anu ku. E ba me abuku ana se me ji wo ma. Don't to what you.
Nti so to oni akuma, oni aso, oni hwe.
Me ware yi wo bi me hu bi. Na me no na busa na. Me kapa wo se na busu ma sam de. On kan che me, on kan che. I worried for so many years. You no problem bia. But you need bia metete me wa ha. Ono aso mo busu ni bia di nche me tide na me ba ma busu asma be ha me. Oni obi a me de me pema de sa. Eza.
Honey.
Afro papa.
Salam.
Eh, na boss eh. Come on,
Hello. Love, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Oh.
But I don't find jealous.
You're jealous. No,
Oh, say a normal time.
What
that's Tracy, now me buy anything now.
Oh, there be me for mommy come. Why? What them from? Oh, there be one call. Oh,
money out, why?
Me can.
Hey,
Honey, you are back. Honey. Huh?
The result is the same. The fertility test belong to you at the hospital. I'm so confused. The result is the same as all the rest. It confirms that there's nothing wrong with us.
So what is happening? How many years in this marriage?
It's so confusing.
How many years am I going to remain barren? Even if there's something wrong with you, how old am I?
You know, since all the results confirm that there's nothing wrong with the two of us, what we have to wait is to wait on God.
For how long?
God's time. God's time is the best. God's time.
I'm a woman. God, just bless me with only one. I'm not asking for much. And for how long?
Well,
you're not getting younger.
Yeah, I know. Let's wait on God.
Should wait.
Oh my God.
Yes. Baba. Mom could be a baby girl, now that I know I eat easy. Tell her how me
Watch my mom.
What's wrong? Nada. Man can't jump saying you well, you young figures. Nice.
And yes, I'm here.
But your home, sir, a coon nipper, papa. Minimo be a drink a coon. What were then how ye cast will do a problem, wouldn't need problem. Kitty.
So,
then palm it to me to me and Ned. Casamacati.
We are so bad, so cowering less a one. Now, yes, what the bucket are consumed. Echo sends you one fashion. Obey, no pain. Because I'm coming to me and Panamia come here or I see will be in the shop maybe.
I'm not crying a man book your friend catch him on. They said this one is how they knew mama no drew.
Tell us me about me. Whatever Mrs. and one me could not. Me won't say big. Me worry papa me is big. Busama bet now. What if I'll be ashamed to say me? Wouldn't see a quiet test, no. The same result Nana is about. Testing said there's nothing wrong with me. Me couldn't so hand.
Nada.
So only baby a papa or boy or tia for dropping no could say rather mamma said. One day bang. It's me benin no more warrior son, matna, a warrior son, me would you mean walk to a big crana, papa and Fred mamma, no in the benny. So Fred or Pono Babana me shimmy. Busume swan, me did you cry and cock.
Nice.
Send me booming, sir. Now you miss soon. I will 1 year. For how long? And I mean, this one, I think you will be a sister. Interesting.
Nice. If I be a married. Bible said, I didn't mean fast the more married. They be a man can say they are banner. And I am it too. The Yamin in your young man. Nyame when you are dear your mother. No more yama. Sister, a be out a prayer with so for 1 hour. I then I won't train a ratty blame you drum. Or betcha your back on the amai. Sister, come up to you. Now, men won't. But dear, a hard dream soon can have a business a bear man wanted to name a problem. Palace are sharp. That's it. Papa, flim up with your knees. They say what I said you won't be your knee. I mean, I first saw my dad who flew say king, so you need to have a fair job at the and I could baby. Oh, and only idea may me dear ham you. It's not a very good
dream and cry. I just put your cry anything.
But I make out say trace my man, sister, but I
just put anything. Oh, Mutia Japadian in Ania Pamumisia one thing. My family bag be seen a come baby shimach. My family bag is in a come so me bansa. Meaning said dachi. Meaning no me dakwa, me baby shabby. Me mammy and Tassia, my man, she know. I didn't tell me about what it.
Nice. But then for be a married. I remember
me pay when not to pay what the whole jazz. So no name you
seen him so. I would see me boy to my ball of pow, my wow, whose son was that.
The pow, and walk
and it blew yesterday.
Make a drum what they come and take up a peso. And what did you know when I saw what you want from me?
The whole thing tastes.
No, we and I am Comobi man, Comobi, I am Comobi, like a baby. I
can't bear period. I wouldn't tell me no more.
We couldn't miss him, no, me do what? You had him, mommy, about it.
A ratty chimney about what? Never paid me 1 room. It's not 2 persons. That's a shame, man. That's all year to my home. A ratty chair about why? Chair about a couple of now to them.
Maybe be a
now, one near man. Maybe so queer sword in your map. Also, one doing you share him.
It's in a me buy, I think here. And I'll pay me carry some banner. I'll pay the other person.
Nancy. Nancy. Nancy.
Yes, yes.
Please see who is at the gate. See who is at the gate.
Oh, okay. Oh, Lawyer.
Ah, lawyer. Oh, lawyer Frank, you are welcome.
Thank you very much. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you. Thank you.
Lawyer, what can I offer you?
Oh, that's okay. I think I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Not even
No, lawyer, please.
Sure, man.
This is your so please take some.
People say so.
So how's the day?
Fine, very fine. I guess you're okay too.
We are fine.
Thank God.
Let's bring the drink before we talk.
People say so, but I thought I was okay.
No, you have to take something in my house.
Thank you. Thank you.
Honey, can you still have this?
Thank you.
Honey, so I'll be in the kitchen.
No, please come and sit down.
Oh.
There's nothing secretive about what we're going to discuss.
Really?
Yeah. I'm sure lawyer Fiako is part of this family. Yeah.
Really?
Lawyer, you are welcome.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Mr. Martin.
Yeah.
I had a call to be here this morning, so I'm here to listen to why you called me.
Yeah. You know, we've been dealing with this insurance company for many years.
Of course.
But I'm no longer interested in their services.
Oh.
Because they've increased their premium so high that it is outrageous. So I want to change from this company to another insurance company.
Oh.
I want you to give me the implications and advice so that I'll make such a move from this insurance company to another one.
Okay. Well, I think it's not a bad idea though, because if premiums are high, there are other options. But then, okay, Mr. Quartin, give me a day or two. Let me go through the legal implications and look at the other insurance companies, which might be okay and may have lower premiums. Then I'll get back to you.
Oh, okay.
I wouldn't be okay to sit down here and say, fine, let's go with this other insurance company.
Of course.
So let me have time to decide. I will look through the other insurance companies and their premiums, and then I'll decide and I'll let you know later on.
Okay. You are the legal
course.
So
thank you very much.
Whatever you say.
Okay.
Okay.
Lawyer, how is your wife and kids?
She's fine.
It's
They're all
not like
fine.
it is today.
Fine. And how are you two?
I'm doing good.
I can see that. I can see that. Life is getting on fine with you. I can see that.
Of course, by the grace of God.
Thank God. Thank God. Well then, Mr. Martin, I won't take much of your time. Let me take my leave.
So soon?
Oh well, he's gonna have other business that time.
He's a very busy man.
Please. No, I didn't come here because of Lion. Actually, invite me.
Especially for
Lion.
I would like to let your wife.
Do. Okay.
Okay, so.
Thank you very much. See you. Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
Same to you.
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
I thought you said your insurance company is the best. So what is going on? Why do you want to change it?
They used to be the best, but they are no longer the best. I don't understand why they've increased their premium so high. Is it because of this thing they have acquired?
I don't know anything about the insurance company.
We need to look at the other alternatives.
Okay. That should be ready soon, yeah?
Okay.
Efo makonya bu obo mama.
Afafi. Bra. Me fra ubra. Yo. Wo hwe mi ni o, wo hwe mi ni o. Mi ebe to. Abronya ho mi no ni ebe. Obi na o ma bi 2.5 kilo mi be fa ho na mi be fa po. E fi se se mi be nya fufuro. E bi se mi fira o humbo e nko. E fa fi. Na fira o humro mi fa ni be fa o ri bronya. Kuko we no. Au, koklo ya mo ko dara fi agoju ko gbo to ba fi koklo re mi factory as yaro ni pa bara se ni o ba fa kokon bro aforu awuri o ni se fa kokon ni bro mi ma protocol mi pesam ni ko ma mi o tufu ma no be fa kokon mbe fari bronya uni se o fa kokon ni bire mi atisa ariebe si obesi ami mi katro rara se ni ami mboria ni kọrin na mi ko kasre na nanu ye asakitu ebi na no kokolo ru wa do fa kokolo o fa bra mi pesem ko afọ mi si ori bari o fa kokolo bra o fa kokolo bra na bi osi mi fa u beri kokoro uri yiye na kokoro be so yem wa nimi mi kasanyo mi ko yo fa mi kokolo wa fa kokolo bra mi asan na be si na se ko
Joe boy, hey, Joe boy. Abafabone sana sewansisa. Onyebeya penyimbane. Joe boy.
Oh, Bruno manaye aye nuhu anase dokro ni. Same. Na otwitwa no apakat. Akuko na mwedi. Jese. Debi yeni ni step by step. Mami shiri. Chale. Nkwane ni ofesi ya ya ade o. Wi akoko we ni na akoko obi ani si ni na me nam na me wi abura akoko bi a me hye ndwa mani bi.
Ebetimi kira no. Ahomachi nke enko kira odwan no baako. Na nka yemfa nko odwa.
Nti wo de won sisanda. Ya ko fa akoko. Ye hu ni besie. Ye nkonko kira odwan so.
Ye no bisi. Binu bisi.
Agogo nam. Agogo nam. Agogo nam. Agogo nam. Wa ya agogo na ta so hwe ni mfu.
Na hako wetam.
Efu. Obedi kuruma aboso.
Emu akra.
Uzu fish go akope. Obedi kuruma aboso.
Onu nukuma ina o adode. Omu ya ndo dio. Nga do no.
Odi anga adode na muton. O se me ya agogo. O ti me aye nua ma o mata so nyago.
Ade mi fa yo. Unu kwan yo. Akoko nam. Akoko nam. Ya le pa. Ayem pa.
Why no?
How we are?
Strategy. Aye, chawo saka.
Oh, unti dia no pela ndu. Ah. Unti bak mati bak ni mtan. Ayiko. Ayiko. No ni nyami na ko bi o ma mi tipofu. E ka mi be bare mu wi na ni wie. Obi no ka me se mi se mu be ya kukoru mi fa kukoru ti o se mi kobra ru kukoru oni ho mi yiri na nyami ya mi ro obi ka tira mi se mu mi be ware mo mu na bi ono mi fa kukoru ko na mba ye kwe fa kwa ko bo ramara mi ye kasa no be ru ko
Evo. Udi ngwasa se mi di me ko be gu enu a.
Joboja nyamte.
Nguna ya kuko wa.
Joboja nyamte.
Nguna ya
Jo nyamte.
Ami me adimi ye. Yes. Efo. Ajoboy. Adimi ye. Efo.
Epera weroto.
Moto wuli nyansa. Marawose. Ko na ya gogo.
Merci marawose. Mi nyasa. Akwa kula ko fi
akukoro now. What in yemi kuko? Mikasa.
Kala.
Oye buru. Kuko yo be ya were.
Kuko buru wom.
Mikana onim.
Ani voters ga ko pe na kuko.
Misi mikana onim. Somebody wa tufuma ho. Ususu tieni. Ubaba wa tufuma ho. Nimba tufuma ho.
Adode na moto adode.
Mikaba onim. Nyami kuko ye. Mikasa. Mi bori ya obi obrami ran. Mi bori ya obi obrami ran. Ojo bobia. Mi. Ojo bobia mi.
So obore ni ko so bobia.
Atina mi kukoro.
Antina.
Atina sina mi kukoro. Me say kukoro, wanye mi kukoro. Mi kasa. Mi kobori ye. No so mi kuko, wanye mi kuko. Ya ba hwe.
Ye.
Ayi na mi karo wati ni.
Wani plus na ye.
Uba yiwi, oba so ye, ni na mi kame.
Plus.
Mi na mi kama o.
Plus.
Wani, uba ya mi kuko sa kacha sa maninya sa. Maninya sa tami ye kukoro ba yi.
De oye na plus.
Mi kama o. Wani mi.
Ba traze.
Oba ye kukoro kacha sa maninya. Bora wa fe.
Evo bra. Evo. Ni abre. Oni ye ya ko ganga o ba nya buto. Wa ye plus on na de akofi. Oda ya mi di. Yo. Nya. Akora ka do bodua na nhu. Plus. We are ya times and ke benya plus. Times no. Ya e doburo nsem ni bebre times. Plus 1 plus 1 2. About 2 years ba zi atanasi. Ama mo kwa dudu ko le ogbu idu. Evo. Kenyende. Yamba nkwango. Nkwango man. Yamba nkwango man na. Mi wu. Evo ba jo nkwano. Ya ti abruwa idi ku angari ani ko be. Ni ko fu ko yaro mo su mo penya mo. Are. Unim. La no na me dia ba no. Yeah, smart in ye mo bi ama me. Yeah. Ye wiwie pe. Ego nja se ni. Si ya e bone. Ye kwa na da na na ya. Boni. Na ni yin twaja yo. Obi se se ade ya. Ezi akoti efu akoko. Osi okobo edua. Komo so mfe dua bo mbe free fo se ova manyame. Ova nyame so kura bi ya. Powder. So tie yenwe. Onya. Ada woluzu me mai basam. Madam.
Unje be kase
efo mum de wono so office gwa ko
bi nya no unje won komo. Wo bo edua kwenu.
Man kasa nkwa sesam ne nja. Akoko wan ne bu nko no. Enya wona bu akoko nko no. Ye twemu akọ no wona atira mi.
Enna me kan se enna me hu se wo ne baba me so first.
O de se wo be wo e be chewu. Wu ba akọ ma wu ba. Didi
nduti yenye nko hu na na ya.
Didi e be pa won chewu.
Joe boy, a creative mind. Joe boy, I'm a from the sun as I was a son. Only by a penny bonnet.
Hey, sorry, and Dr. Bafra now still out of that. Look, we did 1 2 and grass over banner while the field.
I read them in Kutanabon. I think as a family doctor, they are quick to me say time to time, my final machines in the bush.
That's wonderful of you. Yeah.
That's very good. That's very good. I mean, she shows the kind of life she has for you. The main reason why I'm here this morning is concerning the text we had the last time, and I think the text shows that there's nothing wrong between you and your wife.
So, no, doctor. If there is nothing wrong with me and my husband, what is God waiting for?
Okay, calm down.
But I'm fed up. Trust me.
Yeah, I think let me suggest something to you if it will be good for you and your wife.
What's that?
I think I have a doctor in the UK who is very good, very good in terms of such a situation like you have at home in the moment. So if it will be better for the two of you, I want you to think of it. Think of it very seriously. Because she can do something, do something called, she will take your sperm, she will take your wife's sperms, she will put them together, and we'll do transplant. And your wife is going to get pregnant as normal woman getting pregnant for the husband. I think it's very good for
this is what they call an artificial insemination.
Yes.
And every man would like to have a normal sexual relationship with a wife and produce a child out of it. So going to put this taking her egg and then putting it in a test tube, why not produce it in the womb?
Honey, it's not a good idea. I will never support this.
I don't want you people to get me wrong. In order to save the situation at the moment and the embarrassment of both of you families. Considering to what you told me the last time you came to the hospital concerning the sleepless night you have been having of late, and I've given it a thought, and I think this is a very brilliant idea for you to, give it a try and see the outcome.
Well, I will not dismiss it out of hand, but I think we will need to think about it.
Just give us some time, but I don't think it's a good idea.
Yeah, we need to think about it and see if we will go through that system.
Alright, fine, I'll give you time to think of it. And let me know, please, so that I can speak to my friend in UK. And we'll make an arrangement for that.
Think about it.
Alright, I won't wait too much time. I think I'll leave to the hospital because I have an emergency to take care of. Alright, God bless you and God be with you. Madam, see you soon. Everything will be fine. Take good care of yourself.
Let me just see him off.
There's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with you. If there's nothing wrong with me and my husband, do something about it, me and work.
Hello, Kwaba.
Yeah,
Abudi Mumbai. Eradi Jan Koma Chicken Shawsa, Bidi Hine, Ewa Yesu Nimo. Amen. We dear no pay.
I no pay, dear Bonnie Biani. I am Yamana Juba.
You boy, I know boy, Conke.
We went in on me. So, I collect as a tower did to me. Yamini no pray any money. I know what them. And now we yaba was what Jimmy board here, a bench. I dear chair will see my cocoa. I dear chair will see me pray go obey one of my. I dear chair will see. No, why crane and no more trouble, sorted them. And then Sakura said, we'll be sitting here for bank. And now praying in our Jerry as well. And so, if you ask a few minutes to too many, one is of a penny, I would die a sorry young. To be the barber to any more that woman, one frack and one cassette and a mammy.
You and your day. It didn't come in our sea. His answer, Yenny penny and the dear muddy and dear son. Seneca, Krumu and Nipa Biwa, and so mena. Now, what come at it? Men, friend, Ibiana, Wama, Mia Mebefio.
One cassava,
Mebaho. Mia Minchakra, Mutu Menaya Bao.
You might play the
Namen Nabacassa. Why?
It's a woman and you cheer.
And yet, we would have Kwakuma 2 years. Drew Babia.
Hey, do boy.
Okono and Yauko. Exodus 14:14. Was it? Munyai ne radiba kwama mo odi munye din
eso awrade won kono ko kakraka pa
radiba kwama wose we enso nchan pokoko na Israel for fam
wutu ka wani kanike woso nyu so mitimi sresa na chese mani kura age
nyehwe
medi makoma nyina ma mena na so wontie ma se
ma bonsam enwia no nyame
bebem wonya bonsam kura dia
nyame bebem
awrade ma ne mpale me
tude ko akoma toyem why tinyade a sasa wodwene ho na nso ubenya yade a na bibisa why tude sene tie bia no me ameba ho why
ene we die menche me die
yo ene me nya kwan kakra
wo ba sa me die
sene tie bia
operations for the first half of the year. The profits we have posted in this first half is unprecedented in the history of this company. But we don't have to rest on our oars. The sky is the limit.
I know that, sir.
All that we need to do is to motivate the staff to keep up the momentum so that we can even post higher profits by the end of the year.
You don't worry, I have to worry about that, sir. I've already done some small feasibility studies here and there, and where the lapses are, I've been able to rectify them. So definitely we'll make that particular mark that we are used to. Or we'll probably make much more than what we used to do in the years past. Trust me.
Good. Thanks for the initiative.
You're welcome, sir.
But I'll be traveling. I'll be on a business trip very soon.
To where in particular, sir?
I'll be going to Europe and America, and I'll be away for 6 weeks. And while I'm away, you will be in charge of all financial and administrative matters.
Thank you, sir.
I know you will maintain the discipline and the hard work that is well known in this company, so that my absence does not adversely affect the operations of the company in any way.
So you don't have to worry about that. It's definitely going to be in very good and capable hands, and it will be like you have never left. You come and see everything in very good and working order. Trust me on that.
Okay, good. So I want you to call a meeting of the staff.
I'll do just that, sir.
So that I'll meet them and motivate them to keep up the momentum, so that they don't slacken the momentum that we have achieved.
Yes, sir, I'll do that.
Okay.
And when do you want us to meet so that I can notify the staff?
I'll call the meeting for tomorrow afternoon. Call the meeting for tomorrow afternoon.
Like noon should be okay?
Yeah, noon tomorrow.
I'll do just that.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks you so much, sir. And please do well to extend my greetings to Madam and the kids.
I'll do that. Okay.
Yo boy. Every idea, Boko. The woman is saying, Nancy, when I'm not at the complaints, be brave, Brammy. Minana. Unana. So when I'm baby and a jubo, Nelson, Nini Namuno. If he's a Saudo, Homa Christa. Sad him bonina, be trapped. First, Nanka, they were sorry, come on. As you could be V90, me who are sorry. First pa Joe boy jina konka nim na wo ba afede ni nyina ye den
se mun tuamika oh mo amma me once in pay 1 month fra
Joe boy
na de bia me bokonka no so sofo e ya bo anwoma me nsa no enwoma no e dine se me nsa no
na se bi
1 month be pa na mutimi kura aka se mo de mu nyina me anye je ntobo ama Joe boy eno wani pintiri ba amosa
so se ka bibi ni kranka asompanyifo ho me wo ho so wo kura na wontimi nka wo de fato na nanim na nka me ne asompanyifo nwene ho na ki mpe bibi duoti wo de ni nyina amate ne asompanyifo behia na me pese free sa abrekoi o fa Kristo se ne first no Bible se ka ba bia o free hwiase so ne sorry
o aka amate o se ka ne na me na ye ntinjia o wurade fie na chese ne me na ya atenten ne ma eye enya hwe waka amate minim ne ma ya intimi nana etimi bɔ me machi ekire wo iti di o twesa no so onim se na chi akye timi ne me nana bedwene ho mate nya mpa obenya muaye
o kasa obeba na wo soro ani nye Bible so okra ba ko kasa sakra wo soro ani je so why ti behwe woni
sisi ade so for mintimi nye pene me se medwene ho medwene ho
yo ane yo ye mompaye fi ho hye Awurade nsa why
so for ese
ye mompaye
obema mahi
oh o de ye mompaye wi a na wo ja me kwan a me ya me hu de me why Awurade ye da wase Awurade abano ya bebu akasa obetu so pegusu na fifi na tini aso aba we di jobo e shawo nsa pai body set
Everybody can go. One. So for no.
Let's send him now. Send it. Ebeya. Obeya odi akra. We Yesu di mo na ebompai. Amen. Yo boy. Oh.
Joe boy, hey. Joe boy. I'm a fabani sana sawansa. Onye baya, onye bane. Joe. Hey.
Na sana Joe boy tie. Eti dia mi kan na antona sum bodwane. So funko ni eyem say na sorry ba. Ah, you ready? Ne wo say me ma bayo.
You know this is a business trip.
So when will you come back?
I'll be away for only a few weeks.
Few weeks?
Yes.
Like how many weeks?
Well, if I'm lucky, I'll make it 2 weeks.
Oh baby, you know I'm alone in this house. And you know my friend doesn't visit often, please.
I see, it's necessary that I go.
Can't you make it 1 week?
Well, I'll see if it's possible to make it.
Just think about it. I don't I promise me you'll take very good care of yourself.
Yeah, take good care of yourself.
Yes, so excuse me, can I reach you on this line? Oh, come on. Hello, Tracy. Tracy, who are you? Tracy, me not be here. Yes, me going to play catch. Me fine. See, I'm off you what? Still coming who feeling because
me heya na let me be sao. Wo kai asama wo kan wo ka dem se de hia se be ma no na ware a wo kunu no ma. Na yo busu ni ti e ba ma mu ni de be ma no nko a. Nya asama
wo ni se me ma me papa ni na fim.
Afi na be bi hwe busu ni bia ni wo ne ma ne de. Aka se lawyer ne be ba. No wo de ya be sin se kim ye hu se ne me ni na ya wo de.
Okay, so be do hatten. Na bo say on my.
Wache bro na kwa so ba.
Why out my? Lawyer.
Hey, nipa ni ni din.
Over there, you have a chance.
Yeah.
Akwaba.
So for line, go slow no go on. And just in bit to akra.
Let us say.
Nyamadum. Is a me fa me time on ya bro.
Me ma unsu.
That's.
Lawyer, I no pay there. You are na jaw dia between. Now one more thing, me was say come bra any more faba. Na ye busia penny. Egu. Nti omo tutu nyoma wo ekura na so nti. So buy no bi anya nti na mama madam free. About at least oba the benya witness bi kura. Why?
Yes. So there am right council, na am right council. I'm say ye shall say on a pay ebehwe nsamanse a eja kwatin eja na me my the lawyer me na nantia for so many years no me na say me bisa aduma ansana no em say I was saying Kenya branch bi ha Joe Boy bi Joe Boy
Nidiwo.
So Joe Boy has a intimate kind way.
Joe. Electrician no. Electrician be oye.
I'm an electrician. According to what I have here, Joe Boy Mr. Cotton eba. I'm an electrician.
Me patrol fin here. Every hour with son. Beer company being will be on the
patrol. Mrs. Scratching, Mr. O.P. They were the man who has said, and yet company and sons has said, a son, just a bar. Mr. Scratching. Now, I'm the you've been taken by surprise, as it were. Now, Mr. Scratching, come behind yourself, baby, baby. Only you want commander. Mrs. Scratching, no, that's
not only kind of this year, the miracle you are seeing, it's with the transplant. No, my
Unfortunately, this doesn't talk about transplant. Let's talk about the real son.
No, my husband doesn't have any son.
Please, Mrs. Cratchit.
Joe Boy.
Okay, see the woman said, I know there are some sale. There's a Mr. Cratchit. Oh, baby, you will be friend sorry, Miss.
Sorry, Miss.
I
will find him.
I was Antonio here.
Nice, who can Obama?
Having more pass one more show. Mrs. Cratchit says there's a Branton has a hint to me in Carwell, no? Because it plays a very major role in the region of this world. So if it's not here.
Lawyer, my husband doesn't have any son. You've known my husband and I for so many years.
It's not Mama. Yeah. Because if you're saying I wouldn't even hear it, I'm surprised.
Come here. She didn't hear.
Well, it's like the Bible. You can neither take out nor put in. See, what is here is what I'm supposed to read. If Joe is not here, I cannot, I must not, I should not read this well. To be strong. Joe Boy, when he has age in any has.
When you are intimate.
Mrs. Cratchit, because the way you empire him, and Remuno, our soul has intimacy to be to your car. Shall I? Nah, Jeffrey.
I am Patrick. Want me?
Remember going away?
Want me?
We were more 18 years.
Mrs. Cratchit.
Run away.
Okay, Martin. Martin, meeting with ma. Meko so me so.
You very sure na de na.
Akọ hwe Joe boy na de na ba.
Hwe ni bra ni
you. So me de no ba. Me say frɛ.
Mate lawyer.
Na ya chena si.
Yo.
Na de I was say you to be ana.
Yo.
Na me so me scratching. I abotre.
Yo.
For all you know, who need the word no cry as of now. And to abotre why? So nya abotre. And na Mr.
Bye bye.
And me ba. Me say frɛ mu bi. Why?
Nice, you know, so clean you see me. Sister, na me te ha na what ha. Nice. Just a cool one back.
Me Stacy, me coming, Nana. Me coming, Papa, shop from Sammy.
Me, you would dinner. I was saying you shun a chimply, Papa, baby, or was it
me, so send me back.
And yes, she what would be Berman. We are now swim me. When the day or yayo. I had yarn and I'm saying, I want so you won't pay now quite job boy as a one I will back. Never panic back here. Yen see baby papa. I'm already before me sending mammy. What wanted the bank to say, I'll put you for over her crown or bear 40 days.
Never mammy become a matson no crowd.
When your papa. Oh, I want to know. I can't try for me. Oh, the circle of the head. People who say this iron. I am funny man. Yet, in a dear, Kebab was sending out and needing that.
Joe boy, tick, Joe boy, I'm a proper hey, who's what they do? No, what did they say?
How did Joe boy feel?
Next time. Oh, next time.
I'm telling you now.
I ain't gonna be here.
Where's Joe boy?
I don't know where I
am. Say what, Mammy, why? There's some now.
Joe boy, and your papa will share the bunch of booty and a pack of fire.
View, paper chow. Yeah, bunch and I'm a tall man. None will come. And I'm so often on red down, no medicine cigar.
Miss Sonia Bunch of something.
So you're called
when I Joe boy. Only Joe boy.
Let me find the Joe boy, Kakra, and the first one need Joe boy.
And about your Joe boy, only Anna. You feel any.
I fear dear Joe boy. You fear any hair.
The one
boy. Ah, Nana.
Nana, we do one. Nana, what could you say, Joe boy? Chese who yi me ma. Mama na ba betra se why.
Me da se.
Nana. Who yi me ma se Joe boy mi ni e mi gina ha.
Ba nchiro ya gaji hu sika na kwoti fodo wo beko.
Joe boy. Me
se un be ma se.
Nana, my manager, my manager. Come on, show.
What manager? Nana. Mama na. Akwa
Yeah, I know.
Joe boy, what's the show brand?
Wami.
Say ya na kwa we di mi o. Yo. We die. Ano pay maybe se bi kakra no pay ye.
Yeah. Me kwa me senta. Cheba cho. Uni wo ra bia na friend no. Mr. Kwatin.
Mr. Kwatin.
Mr. Kwatin.
Why dey?
Mr. Kwatin. Mr. Kwatin bi die na.
Kwatin, enye.
Kom kai Mr. Kwatin.
Mr. Kwatin bi me kai Kwatin.
What kind of kwatin so sa?
Mas.
Nya me Kwatin. O jinin.
I'm say me boni.
Oh, ba tu baby am.
Osem.
Na, nitina me.
Hey, go boy. So when you swap up your baby?
Oh, Debbie, na me so.
Papa.
Chance.
Chi man first before chi.
Papa bia baba wo bi ba che wo swap papa abaya ba.
Wo na che say ya de metum fi du a. Wo be di the same do. You be che 50-50.
Papa nya ba nche na asem na.
E ba ya, me ko dia. Em say owura kwatin emra owo abofre. Anti be no tell na chi. Na akoda yin se mo fast no ha drink kakra.
Akoda yin. Wonya yi duma wadi di me enna kakra pra me da.
Ha drink da.
Wo bo ban.
Mani na din me ha.
Yo.
Na I'm saying you make quite a rock out of fast so difficult myself. I'm free as sword into. It is all no crama. No jaw too quite. Na nyame ko shira.
Aya kwaten.
Papa.
Ni wura, ni ntwa akase. Owura kwaten kwan a wode mi afa so wo kuro mu ha. Ane kwan a wofa so a wo po me na na edi na ma.
Me ni asem he se.
Sempo amma.
Nyese obetram se jobo ni.
Na akwadai asodre ane wo hawa da kure so ani nyina beda me so. Me le jire kwa me pebi meti o.
Mo ha nyina to atwa.
Se papa kwaten ni di na de ba e dia be me na me
so nyabo she. Oh, tie me Mr. I'm free quite a teaching and buy Mr. Odaroma.
Come so di o.
I'm sorry.
Papa, oh, mam gancho. E ka che za kwaten se nya de obi di ne boni che ne na che ne china. So ko.
Ni so ba boni nti wo free kure mu nsi mu da.
Wa bokko akwache be for so many years.
Wo nsi mu da.
Enye me me experience ni my ideas. Any day by day didi ma bi no ho amede na mo a na nka mawu.
Dabu wa na akura di bia ba dabu anu anu so kakra wonya no obefa ka wo de asoa me.
Muntie me se mun.
Eh, kwase.
Da be you ama we di ni mo abota. O ba be krokro ni. O ba so a wo nsa pan.
Wo de
so ko.
Jo man nka de wo de ba ye.
Aja kwate. Na me shira no pa.
E wo kuro kase no wo.
E nya mi shira yankewu.
Na de wo mu ni se. Nyame atun safra.
Kwate no.
Ame na tua.
Obo mo gina wo kuro kase no mu.
Se wo.
Na owu ye no nso.
Ye ne makwa yi.
Be me na. Aye de mesi na yi o. Na me ni ya pese bi a mi fra. Ade akotra sa busua ni na yi ase. Wate?
Yo. Nyame ye o le bibia no kun.
Aja kwate okọ no krechi. Wanya koda ya bo. Okaya koda yi pa.
Aye kwaten.
Aye kwaten.
Yo.
Na ne nsamanse oyeye no. Akoda yi din wo. Mpo oni ho ni ntino ye ntimi nkan.
Aye bere no.
Aye wo.
Enti ba me bae.
Yes, samanse ayi. Ya na makana se bere.
Jobi ewu a.
Obi aye
jichimu.
Ya kenkan.
Kata ye ne fene samanse.
Na ejapade no obi.
Bebebe.
Me papa ni wajapade.
Bebebe.
Azafan ma.
Nyabotre.
Oh, papa.
Nyabotre. Nyabotre. Ni me nchewa ha. Ba me bae no. Before akoko kasem.
Why?
Wo. Me do ko sisi a. Na de wo bia na so do onya kwako.
Na mpache wo ye wan.
Me na me ne lawyer.
Oh, hey.
Me na me ne lawyer. Because ne kata se bibia me na me
na wo ba e hu ade se wo ye lawyer. Oh, mama for so many for.
Amen.
Oh, lawyer.
E tu wo kuro kase na di lawyer no.
Ne kata se ne bibia.
E wo.
So.
Nana.
E je ko ba se ke cancer man se. Na ne di wo. Oni ho yetimi.
Me ba sho.
Me ba.
Nana, yo, se me catch you se me.
Se je
se me catch you se me. Usole we di matem dia ni ade be ma me chiro di fa.
Na me ni fa be
do ma de so o se me catch me.
Se me no ya.
Mini o mo me di na tem sa. Ba.
Ni aso fu papa ya.
Yes wa bobra. Nana mi be kokoro. Me to ka ma wa.
Antara ta ka wa.
Laya.
Anaya.
Me fa me bag na.
Ah, nti. Do mo na se. Ri jo boy kokoro. Ama ya kokaka nsamansi ano. Nasi de umbia ano. Obeti.
Be me
Nana. Se fio ma me wo
na. Ya ho me no na be kro.
David.
Onya na ka.
Nana. Me na ko bidi an.
Nana kro.
Nana me ni no wo kro.
Ja tire ko ba ben a. Mentimi mpagya o. Sro. Tiase ma me ni na chi na me ko hwe me na me ye be ma.
Yo me sro tire kwa no wo twa ma ya hwe ha na hwe o.
Se me
ka so ba hwe. Be me na ya so na sama.
Me yere no.
Atutwa se mo tikuru ma wodi woni mu kwa mu twa.
Mi twa ko na de bia.
Mi hwe shi abre no wodi akja.
Nana mi David me mami o de sama me o me na ye.
Ade ko fa bag na. Ko san ho.
Me si sama ho sama mi fa we papa.
O ya fa me ko e tikere ka e bag nti.
Wo de sa bag.
Ka se mi si sama ho.
Penny cutting on your neighbor, Joe boy. Joe boy, Nicola, money, 17 age, and a poor man in a no. Company.